Hi, please tell me how to overcome self-doubt. Madhumita, if you have seen me speak about doubt and fear, you will always hear me say this. Doubt auntie and fear auntie will always be sitting in the back of the car no matter where you are going. So first thing you have to accept is that no matter what you do, self-doubt is going to show up. That's the first way of our resistance to stop us from doing the big things, okay? By first putting self-doubt. If the self-doubt is not enough, they will also bring in fear. If fear is not enough, they will bring in perfectionism. If perfectionism is not enough, they will bring procrastination. These are all different languages of the same thing, a thing that lives inside of us that is stopping us from living our highest, bestest version, okay? So once you understand that, you have to remember how we have some aunties who come to our house and they will say everything wrong. Now we have learned to listen from 1 year and leave it from 1 year, because if we take them too seriously, we'll be crying the whole day. True or not? Now though we actually have reached a place where we laugh at what they have to say because it's so crazy, correct? So what I want you all, what I want especially you Madhumita Venkatesh to start doing, sweetheart, is when you decide you want to do something in your life, I want you to sit down and list out all your self-doubt. I don't know if I'm capable. I don't know if I have enough resources to do this. I don't know if I'll be able to complete this. I want you to make a list of all of your self-doubt and then sit and reframe every answer. How? You write down, I will learn what I need to. Everything is figure outable. I don't need to know the whole journey at step 1. I just need to know what step 2 looks like or how to reach step 2. From step 2, I will learn how to reach step 3. Okay? So what if I couldn't do it in my past? Now I will create myself from my future self. Okay? All of these things, the more you keep on affirming your own amazingness, the more you will start to believe in yourself. The best way to build your confidence, Madhumita, is just one. Take small risks and accomplish them. Take a risk, accomplish it, okay? You are scared of speaking to strangers, go speak to a stranger. You're scared of ordering your food in a restaurant, order. Call the waiter and speak to him. You are scared of picking up the phone and speaking to a relative of yours who upset you, pick up the phone and do it. The more you put yourself in a space of fear, the more you overcome that fear, the more confidence will get built in you. Okay, so I really hope, Madhumita, and all of you here who are currently still stuck in self-doubt, make a list of your self-doubt and come up with your own solutions on how you're going to beat it. The first time I had to do Insta Live, if you know me, you know I'm not good with technology. So learning how to do this, I was shivering. I was like, okay, now how do I do this? Am I live now? Okay, where do I get to read the comments? Will people be able to see my face? Am I supposed to look here? Am I supposed to read the comments? If I read the comments, then I won't have eye contact with my clients. So like that, I was a complete mess the first time I did it. Halfway through, it went off. I don't know where it went off. The Wi-Fi went off or the Instagram went off. Again, I had to reload myself. So much of all of that happens in our life, and instead of getting doubtful, I think it's time where we start to go, you know what? I'm gonna learn on the way. Confidence is not that I can do it. Confidence is that even if I'm not able to do it, I will manage. And when you come from that space, it becomes so very beautiful.